The mandate that we'd like to talk about today is our Sentry Small Mid-Cap Fund. Clearly, Q1 was a very challenging time for markets overall, but particularly so for small cap markets both in Canada and the US. The obvious reason for the decline in the markets for Q1 of 2020 was the coronavirus. As the coronavirus spread and as people became more worried about the implications, the economy was essentially shut for the better part of March. Obviously, that creates a very difficult backdrop for earnings for some of the small cap companies we own for both Q1 and Q2. You can see the performance of our small cap fund year to date is roughly middle of the pack, but I encourage you to think about longer term performance, and you can see that we've done a good job over long periods of time. We're really taking advantage of the volatility in the markets to buy names and buy companies that we've long admired, but we felt that the valuations were too high. So we've been aggressively buying companies such as Huntington Ingalls, which is a shipbuilding company in the US. We've been adding more to Real Matters, which is a software appraisal company in Canada. We've been adding more to Great Canadian Gaming, which is a gaming company here in Canada, and many others. Our thought process is that this too shall pass, and even though the backdrop for Q2 and Q3 earnings potentially could be quite dire, we feel that if you look at some of these businesses on a longer term, more normalized basis, 2021 and 2022, we think the market offers some tremendous opportunities. We also feel it's important to take a very balanced approach to investing. I think in all cases, in all the companies that I just mentioned, we want to make sure that they're able to see to the other end of this pandemic. So that means we have to focus on companies that have great balance sheets and are really able to fund their businesses despite this difficult time. Our outlook is quite constructive in that there's many world-class companies on sale, particularly in the small cap fund where small caps have been hit disproportionately hard. So we're really using this opportunity to buy some great businesses, and we think it's a great time to invest in the fund.